Today I'm going to show you how to remove watermarks from any type of image in Adobe Photoshop. First press Ctrl J to make a copy of your photo. Let's name it, Remove Watermark. Go to Select. And choose the color range. From the drop-down, select the sampled colors. Make sure Invert is unchecked. And choose the first eyedropper right there. Let's zoom in the image. Now, select the color of your watermark. I'll decrease the fuzziness all the way to 78. Now, you can see that only watermark color in the entire image has been selected. But the selection is very much close to the edges, which will give us very sharp results, and the extreme edges might get left out if the images are pixelated. So let's go to Select again. And select and mask. I'll make the radius 8 pixels. The feather, 2 pixels. The contrast, 70%. And the shift edge, 30%. Open the output list and select the selection. Go back to Select, Modify, and Expand. I'll make the expand by 8 pixels. This depends on your image size. Now, go to Edit, and open your fill window. Open the contents list and select the content aware. Press Ctrl D to delete the selection. You can see the selected area and it's nicely removed the watermark. And that's it. Thanks for watching.